Today, we are celebrating World Patient Safety Day. Patient safety is an integral part of health service delivery and crucial to progress towards universal health coverage. Now, during COVID-19 pandemic, it's more critical than ever. So this year's theme of the World Patient Safety Day is Health Worker Safety, a priority of patient safety. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought huge challenges and risks to health workers, such as healthcare-related infections, mental and emotional issues, overtime work, fatigue, illness, and even deaths. Working in stressful environment makes health workers more prone to errors which can lead to patient harm. So the equation is simple: save healthcare workers, save patients and customers. Our safety starts with us. So healthcare workers need to and get assistance to take care of their physical and mental health. Only then healthcare workers will be able to protect people they care for. It's also important to improve knowledge and skills in infection prevention and control, implement appropriate measures to ensure safe work environment. Policy and decision makers play a pivotal role in protecting health workers and patients' rights by developing and adopting necessary legislation and ensuring appropriate, sufficient personal protective equipment and hand hygiene items, and improving the safety of working conditions. As countries advance towards universal health coverage, they must also improve the safety of their health system. As an example, WHO and UK government entered into new strategic collaboration towards establishment of Global Patient Safety Collaborative. It will provide support to countries to collaborate at global, regional and national levels to focus on patient safety as one of the most important components of healthcare delivery. I'm happy to say that Mongolia is the only country receiving direct country-level support in the Western Pacific region from this collaborative initiative. I'm sure Mongolia would promote patient safety culture, safety improvement practice, and engage patients and families and implement country-level planned activities to improve patient safety successfully. Happy World Patient Safety Day!